India is famous for its diversity. We can be sure that there is no other country as much diverse as India. As its diversity, so is its art forms. India has so many art forms varying from states. Today, we shall discuss about the different art forms. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is believed to have its origins from Tamil Nadu in South India. Time limit of its origin is traced back 1000 BCs by historians, but it's believed to be older by the traditional practitioners. It's performed at the celestial tune of Carnatic music with beautiful body and leg movements, hand gestures and facial expressions. The hand gestures are known as mudras. Facial expression is known by the term abhinaya. It focuses on leg, mudras and abhinaya of the dancers. The dance was very prevalent before British but got depressed during the colonial period. However, India kept her dance performance alive in their houses, and today it's the most respectable art form of Indian culture. Kathak. Kathak comes from North India, precisely from Uttar Pradesh. As the name suggests, it comes from word kada, which means story. Yes, it's the storytelling through the dancer's body by its movements. It's referred as the dance of love, and it's usually performed by male and female together. It focuses on the ankle movements matching the beats of music. Kathakali. Kathakali is another traditional art form of India which has its origins from Kerala. It's one among the most renowned and religious dance forms of India. Kathakali means the play of story. Usually it plays stories from Ramayana or Mahabharata. It concentrates on facial expressions and hand gestures. Its speciality is of heavy costumes, which includes traditional face masks and body paints. The costumes and masks vary, depicting the characters of good and evil. The music follows the story by the conversation of good and bad through mudras and abhinayas. Manipuri. It's from the northeast of India. As the name says, it's from Manipuri. It's mainly performed to narrate the romantic relationship between Radha and Krishna, which is termed by the term Rasa Leela. The art is performed in a term with traditional Manipuri costumes and narrate the tale of gods. Kuchipudi. It's from Andhra Pradesh, South India. It's not just a dance but a whole religious procedure dedicated to God. It includes certain religious rituals such as sprinkling the holy water, burning the incense sticks and praying to God. It's an art form which needs much dedication, skills and practice. During early times it was just performed by males, but now it's mostly performed by the females. Odissi. Odissi comes from the state of Odisha. It's performed in Hindu temples of Odisha. Most mudras and abhinayas are inspired by the sculptures and idols of ancient India. They are stories of Hindu gods accompanied by poems in the form of music. It's one among the oldest dance forms of India and it's performed by women dancers. Lavani. It's from Maharashtra. The dance is female oriented. They blend the traditional music and stories of deities to a beautiful dance form. Lavani comes from the word lavanya, which means beautiful. It has two forms, philosophical and sensual, which is termed as Nirguni Lavani and Shringar Lavani. The quick foot taps are accompanied by the beats of dholak, a musical instrument. Dancers are dressed in saris with golden jewelry. It was performed as a moral booster during the war of 18th century. Mohiniyattam. It is also from Kerala. Though Mohini is a female avatar of Lord Vishnu, here the word Mohini means beautiful and Attam means dance. After Kathakali, Mohiniyattam is the second most popular dance of Kerala. As the other traditional dance form, Mohiniyattam also has its roots from the ancient text Nritya Shastra. It's only performed by women singing and acting a play. Sometimes the song is a blend of Sanskrit and Malayalam known as Manipravalam. Most times the music is melodic and slow and the dance is classified as Lasya. Lasya dance forms are usually gentle and feminine. This art form was also banned during the British Raj and was revived during the 1940s. Satriya. It's a Vaishnava saint Shankara Deva who introduced this form during the 15th century. It's a form preserved in satras or Vaishnava machas. It's a way of performing mythological teachings At first, it was performed by male monks, but the passage of time has changed the art form a lot. Today, it's not restricted to satras and women also perform the art form. Bihu. It's from Assam. Young men and women perform this folk dance during the Bihu festivals. Dancers follow quick hand and leg movements followed by swaying of hips. They wear traditional Assami clothing with beautiful accessories. Dhol, toka, banhi, gogona are the instruments used to play the music. Bihu denotes the beginning of spring season. The dance was performed in London Olympics 2012. Chau. It's originated from Orissa. It's a semi-classical dance with martial, tribal and folk traditions. Themes are found in Shaivism, Shaktism and Vaishnavism. The costume may vary and masks are used to identify the character. The stories enacted are from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Puranas. Ghumar. It's from Rajasthan. The dancers wear heavy jewelry and colorful costumes. It's a folk dance which includes circular movements and hand gestures. Rauf. It's from Kashmir. Kashmiri people celebrate their festivals and occasions by performing Rauf. It's generally performed by females. Garba. It's from Gujarat. It's a traditional art form dedicated to goddess Durga. It's performed by women and are performed by couple to the Gujarati music. Dancers use sticks and go in circular motion, hitting the sticks. Bhangra. It's from Punjab. Traditionally, a good harvest was celebrated by dancing and singing songs to the sound of the dole drums. The dance is an expression of emotions, grace, sense of rhythm and beauty, but also of cultural traditions. All these make it an interesting exploration, and I hope you had an interesting exploration of India's rich and different traditional forms of art. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.